Derek here from SkipperBud's of Madison, giving you a look at a newly listed 2003 Moomba Outback LS. Nice looking boat. The finish on it is real smooth yet. As you can see, a couple small blemishes on the rear end vinyl. The remainder of the vinyl is in great shape here. Get you a look at the exterior. Nice trailer with a spare. New winch installed on the trailer. Interior of the boat again is in great shape. Console, no cracks. 490 hours on the boat. The motor was just recently replaced. Very low hours on it. It's a fuel injected motor. Grab handles for the rear bench seats, some cup holders, speakers. Underneath the engine hood here, got the Inmar Assault motor. Fuel injected, very clean bilge, very clean boat. Ski pylon right in front of the dog hatch. Bolster seating on the captain's seat. In-floor ski locker. Give you a good shot of the interior here on the front end. Boat's been well cared for. It's a great boat at a great price. Thanks for taking a look.